have been working on grapevine-related diseases for more than 20 years in California. My position is the cooperative extension specialist, which is the applied research. Pierce's disease is a bacterial disease caused by a bacterial species known as Xylella fastidiosa, subspecies of the fastidiosa. The nature of the pathogen, which is colonizing in the wood or the xylem wood of the plant, it's very difficult to control. Once the vector insect introduces the pathogen in the plant, pathogen colonizes in the wood, start moving up in the xylem vessels. In the meantime, it goes down. If you cannot control it, it can move down all the way to the cordon. It may also go to the trunk. It may even go to the roots. Because of this complexity of the pathogen, we don't have that many options to control this disease. If the plant is infested, just remove the infested plant out of the vineyard. That's the only option that our growers have. It's very difficult to control this disease. So we have been screening the literature, and then a lot of new research are coming out about the new biopesticides that could control this disease, including phage. It is a virus that could affect the specific bacteria. So a company, Infatec, has been developed and come up with a specific phage that could control the Xylella fastidiosa. That's one. On the other hand, other researchers in University of California has also came up with a few biocontrol agents that could colonize the xylem vessels of the plant and control or prevent having the disease in the plant. We wanted to have a trial with these available biopesticides to see if they are going to show any control. So in this trial, we applied all these treatments themselves individually. We also wanted to combine them to see if there is any combined effect to control this disease. Of course, in this trial, we artificially challenge these products by inoculating these plants with the Xylella. This is our first year of the trial. Our first data from this trial we start having in the beginning of the season, mid-season in July, and when we start seeing these results, we get excited that we get some positive control of this disease, and then we wanted to share this information with our growers. So that's why we are having a very late and a quick field day to show our data. That's where we are right now. Too early to conclude our trial results. Again, this is the multi-year experiment, and this is our first year, and then we are just sharing the preliminary data from our trial. So, so far, what we have found is that our individual treatments of the phage and biocontrol agents have significant the control or management of the disease. When we combine them, they have much better control. That's why today we are here to show you how those experiments results are showing symptoms on these plants. What I am hoping is that to see the same results next year and year after. That's one. So that's why as a scientist, we set up the experiment and use the multiple replicative ones, and then we repeat them multiple years to make sure that we are having solid results. That's not by chance. That's one. So after that, we are going to publish our data, and then that's going to be useful tool for the growers.